Greetings, freedom seekers. Let me illuminate a path for you and empower you to seize the opportunities that guide you to true freedom. In a world filled with endless possibilities, where dreams have the power to shape our destiny, there exists a place where those dreams are nurtured into reality. Today, I stand before you not just as a presenter, but as a beacon of hope and inspiration. At BIS Minds Academy, we believe in the extraordinary potential within each and every one of you. Imagine a life where your passion fuels your purpose, where every idea is a stepping stone towards greatness. That's the journey we invite you to embark upon. A journey towards financial freedom, fulfillment, and boundless opportunity. Friends, during our monumental 10-day launch event, we extend to you an invitation unlike any other. A chance to unlock the secrets of success with a 50% discount on all our downloadable video courses. This is not just an offer, it's a promise. A promise to walk hand in hand with you as you carve your path through the digital landscape. This unbelievable launch will start on the 25th of April, 2024 to the 5th of May, 2024. Please find the launch code in the description of this video before you head to our store, where you will find all our downloadable video courses to start your journey to true freedom. The website will be displayed at the end of this launch video. Our downloadable video courses aren't mere lessons. They are the building blocks of your empire, the blueprints of your destiny. Each course is a testament to our unwavering commitment to your growth and prosperity. I implore you to seize this moment. Embrace the fire within you and let it ignite the flames of possibility. Join us at BIS Minds Academy, where impossibility is just a word and success is the only option. Embark on a journey and write the next chapter of your story. Take the journey and defy the odds and create a legacy that echoes through eternity. The time for greatness is now. Will you answer the call? Go and paint the world with the colors of your dreams. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more content towards true freedom and future product launches. Till next time, I love BIS Minds Academy.